Hi, welcome back. Certainly glad you could join us today. I am Ivy, the narrator. This time, let's paint a summer view from under a stone bridge. This picture also uses chalk softer a lot. Let's get started. Add a new layer on top. New layer. Layer status. Round soft. First create the sky color. Following the Bob Ross style, the paintings are drawn in order from the distance. Foliage. New layer. Triangle hard. Let this color be the basic color of the distant mountains. Putty blend. Blur the foot. Chalk softer. Adds texture to monotonous surfaces. New layer. Sponge. Line on. Combine sponge and line tool to mass produce evergreens in the distance. New layer. Undergrowth, 2. Draws the bank. Draw a staircase on the bank. Next, draw the grass on the bank. New layer. Triangle hard. Now let's start coloring the stone bridge. Chalk softer. When alpha lock is enabled, only colored areas can be processed. Adds texture to monotonous surfaces. Layer light and dark colors for texture. Add masonry lines. Light and dark lines express three-dimensionality. Undergrowth, 2. Draw a wave outline with undergrowth 2. Moss blend. The waves on the water surface are expressed with moss blend. Draw a rapid stream outline with undergrowth 2. Moss blend. Add roughness with moss blend. Draw the base of the rocks. Big pastel. New layer. When alpha lock is enabled, only colored areas can be processed. Try using big pastels to express the texture of rocks. Chalk softer. Use chalk softer to express more texture. Splatter. Draw a splash and make it more lively. That's all for this time. Did you find any useful tips for painting in Art Set 4? Alright guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please join us again next time. Otsukara-sama shita.